Spondylosis. Spondylosis is a word which refers to the degeneration of the spine and the associated structures like the vertebrae and the intervertebral discs. This is a very common problem which happens with aging, and of late it has even started happening much earlier in the life of a person. Spondylosis occurs both at the cervical level, and at that point it's called as a cervical spondylosis, and at the lower back or in the lumbar region, in which case it's called as the lumbar spondylosis. Cervical and lumbar spondylosis both produce a lot of trouble and misery to the patients. Patients suffer from pain that is localized, that is either at the neck or at the back, or the pain that is manifested in other parts that are supplied by nerves that emerge from those areas. For example, pain in the shoulders, pain in the arms, pain in the hands, pain in the fingers, sometimes pain in the back of the head, pain that radiates to the legs, through the thighs and the calf muscles and even to the foot. They can all be problems that are caused due to cervical or lumbar spondylosis. Spondylosis, which starts in the initial stages, very often responds to painkillers or to rest and certain exercises. In this acute phase, a number of patients get relief. However, there is a section of patients who do not get relief even over a period of time in spite of these interventions. Very often they are recommended for surgery. If you are one of them, you would clearly know that surgery is a very stressful option. Most patients are extremely helpless. They feel extremely depressed when they are asked to undergo surgery, especially in the spine. When it relates to the spine in the neck, it is even more fearsome. So most patients are not ready to undergo surgery for these conditions. Even with the surgery, not all patients recover completely. There is immediate relief of pain and associated symptoms, but the long-term effects of surgery are not as good as one expects as well. It is in this scenario that Ayurveda offers a very good alternative to patients who are suffering from chronic problems relating to spondylosis. We at AVN Arogya offer the whole range of Ayurvedic treatments with excellent medicines. We have come out with certain proprietary combinations of products which are extremely effective in treating patients with cervical and lumbar spondylosis. We also offer a whole range of therapies based on the Ayurvedic tradition, like oil massages, massages with herbal poultices, herbal powders, herbal pastes, and enemas, and so on. A whole range of therapeutic procedures from the Ayurveda tradition have been very effective in treating patients, even those who have been asked to undergo surgery. We even get patients who have had surgery in the past but still have a recurrence of the problem and have been asked to undergo surgery again. We have been able to bring them back to their feet without the need for surgery. Through our Ayurvedic treatment, integrated with physiotherapy, AVN Arogya is able to offer a very good alternative to patients who have been subjected to surgery or those who have been advised surgery. It is in this context that we would like to offer our services to people to keep them away from surgery and rehabilitate them back to their feet and bring them back to their normal lifestyle. AVN Arogya Ayurvedic Hospital, 175 Villacheri Main Road, Madurai 625004, Tamil Nadu, India. Call +91 9025 700 400. URL www.avnarogya.in. Centers in Chennai, Bangalore, Mumbai, Cochin, Madurai, and Malaysia.